You're a superhero.
Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to update if I post another video. Thank you.
Hello everyone! Before you watch this video, you might first watch this one, because this is talk all about some of the information about parallelogram. And in this video, we only focusing on solving. Thank you. So now let's start. And by the way, this is the continuation about the parallelogram, and now we have the trapezoid, kite, and midline theorem. So first, number 1. If you know the properties of a parallelogram, because this is parallelogram, so opposite sides are congruent. So let's write it down. So opposite is congruent. If you don't know what is congruent, congruent means equal or equivalent. And then consecutive angles are supplementary. So what do you mean by supplementary? Supplementary is equal to 180 degrees. Consecutive means next to it or kasunod lang. Kagaya nito, 96 degree. So, yung number 1 ay kanyang supplementary. Or yan ang tinatawag nating consecutive dahil magkasunod sila. So, consecutive or supplementary. So, is equal to 180 degree. So now, let's start solving. As you can see, it's supplementary, so is equal to 180 degree. So number 1, the answer is 84 degree. So how did we end up 84 degree? So it's simple. You have only to subtract 96 to 180. So here. So if you add 96 plus 84, it equals to 180 degree. And as you can see, 96 degree and number 2 is opposite. So opposite are congruent or equal. So therefore our 96 is the answer. So here, it's the same equation. So 1 and 2 are opposite, while 1 and 79 degree are supplementary or consecutive, and 2 and 79 degree are also consecutive angles. So that means it's supplementary. So number 1, let's solve. 180 minus 79. So 1 and 0, 1. So the answer here is 101 degree. And number 2 is equal. So the answer also is 101 degree. And now let's move on to number 3. So same equation, same solution. So here 1 and 2 is also opposite angles. And 1 and 67 are consecutive or supplementary. So wait. And the answer number 1 is 113. So the solution is simple also. 180 minus 67 is 3, 1, and 1. So 113. Number 2 is 113 since it's opposite and it's congruent. So number 4. So this is easy to answer. If you answer number 3, You can now answer number 2 and 1 easily. So here 1 and 2 are consecutive. 55 and 2, 1 and 3 are congruent, while 55 degree and 3 are congruent or consecutive or supplementary. So now let's solve. So number 1, 180 minus 55. Crush out 7, 10, 5, 2, and 1. So 125. Next, number 2. So equal. So it's 55 degree. And then number 3, it's 125 also. So the solution here is 180 minus 55 is 125. So this is basically so simple. So if you have more questions, you can just comment below. So next, let's move on to number 5. The same equation. So solve number 1. So 180 minus 135. Cancel 7, 10, 5, 5, and 4, 1. I joke. No. It's only 45. Sorry. Yeah, so let's erase this mistake. Then let's move on to number 2. So our number 2 here is 135. So opposite angles are congruent. Next, number 3 is 45 degree. So same solution to number 1. Next, let's move on to number 6. So here number 6. So we have number 1. So the answer of number 1 here is 180 minus 85 is equal to 95 degree. Next, number 2 is 85 degree, and our number 3 is 95 degree also. So next, number 7. So this will be the last number. So number 1, 180 minus 47. Crush out 8, 7, 10 minus 7, 3, 7 minus 4 is 3 and 1. Next, number 2 here is equal to n, which is 47 degree. And then 3 is 133 degree. So there you go. We are finished. If you have questions, you can comment below or you can comment anything. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.